Not ready for this. Morning, guys. So today we have another tour. It's called the Second Waterfalls. Our driver is here. He's been our driver for I think most of the tours. So we made it to really North Bali.
We are at the Batu Riki traditional market, and the mountain is the middle of Bali. And then now we walk around.
Yeah.
Alright, this is the pancake, huh?
Pancake. Oh, pancake. This is a pancake. We traveled about an hour up into a very remote village up here on the mountain. We're gonna go check out some waterfalls. So they're very deep inside the jungle, so check them out. We're currently hiking down the mountain so we can make it to the first waterfall. The tour guide said the whole trip is around 5 hours walking, so hopefully we make it.
It's boring, 1,000,000 demons surrounding me, picking a fight, it's toxic. You were the best I ever had, but every second you were screwing me over, and now I'm done with it. I guess that there was no surprise, deleting you out of my mind. Isn't it iconic, standing on the front line, steady going forward without knowing the direction. I need to be honest, it was for the better. Now every day is perfect for a lifelong celebration. Go ahead.
Now, track into the jungle. Now, it might not look like it, but some of these drops, man, look at this. Straight down.
Yeah.
Look at the stairs, man.
Down there, maybe more than here, but
Down there are more stairs than this. I don't know if y'all can see how steep this is. Almost straight down.
As long as my hands are in the rail, I'm okay.
Still on this never-ending staircase. Now the trick is gonna be, golly, on the way up.
many names, maracuya,
This?
snakeskin fruit.
Snake skin fruit is good.
Yes, yes.
How
Where
much?
you from?
America.
America. Nice to meet you.
Nice to
My
meet
name
you.
is Made.
So we made it down the mountain. We found this fruit. It's pretty sharp in the top, but once you take out the skin, it tastes like a combination of pineapple and apple. It's really good. So in order to get to the waterfall, we need to cross the river. It's not deep though, so we had to put on my water shoes. Whoa!